So this is my Win unboxing. I'm having to do it like this because everybody in my house wants to be loud, so I had to run away to the bathroom and film right now. And I didn't want to wake up Jason because he's asleep, so here we go. This is my Win box. And I've been wanting to try Win for a while, and I just finally got around to doing it, so I thought, why not test it out, let you guys know how it goes, and if it's worth the money. When you open it up, you get a free welcome note. You get a quick start guide. It says, share your Win success story and receive a free gift. Get the look of beautiful hair with free shipping. So there's a catalog in it. I got the Win pomegranate. And it's 16 fluid ounces, so it's a really big bottle. It also comes with the pumps for the bottles. It comes with Sweet Almond Mint Anti-Frizz Styling Cream. And my hair is frizzy, let me tell you. And especially with the humidity here in Savannah, it can get downright scary. It came with a travel kit. And this was my free gift, it says. So let's check it out. Comes with 613 Ultra Nourishing Cleansing Treatment in lemon, rosemary, and vanilla bean. The travel kit includes, just one second here, let me open it. Thanks to the UPS man. He came late tonight, so I couldn't do this when I did my other unboxings. I got Sweet Replenishing Treatment and Sweet Almond Mint. It also came with a cleansing conditioner. And the last item in the travel kit is another cleansing conditioner. So it comes with 2 cleansing conditioners, which is great since it didn't come with a conditioner. So I will definitely be using this, and I'll let you guys know. I plan on trying it out tonight, and I'll have a review here.